Hello guys, in this video we'll share with you our next potential trade for Ethereum. We'll explain why we choose this trade, why we want to enter at certain levels, why we want to exit and take the profit target at this level that we will mention. We will also highlight some very important major resistance and support levels for the current price of Ethereum. So please make sure to watch the whole video so you can understand exactly why we'll enter in our trade and see what exactly we want to do. So just to start with some very important price update is that we can see that what happened right here at this very strong support at around $2,700, guys. You can see that the price attempt to go through yesterday, but this daily candle closed below. So once it touched this strong resistance, it bounced back. Okay, and what you should pay attention to is that the same thing happened at 27th of July. And why I want to mention this? I want to mention this thing because we should not worry. Because as we mentioned many times in our videos, the price, once it tried to attempt to break a certain very strong resistance zone, in the beginning it might bounce back, most probably. Okay? But what we should know is that the more times that the price tests a certain resistance zone, the more likely to break through, okay? So what we should think about is that even if the price will test in another one time or the daily or the following daily candle, eventually, most probably it will break through, okay? It's the same thing that happened at 26th of July. At 26th of July, the price, once it attempts to break this zone, it bounced back. And what happened eventually? Eventually breakthrough, okay? So this is something similar that we want to see at this very strong resistance zone. And why we will choose to enter on the breakout of this strong resistance zone and take our profit at the previous all-time high. Why? Because we don't see any other strong resistance zone to hold the price back once it will break through. The next strong resistance zone, most probably it will be the next all-time high, okay? So what we want to do is we want to enter on this strong resistance. Once the price will break through the resistance, on the retest, we would like to see some signs of rejections of this support, and that the price will manage eventually to establish a support at this level. As we mentioned many times in our videos, and it's very important for you to know, is that our current strong resistance zone become our next strong support, where on the bear trends, our strong support become our strong resistance. Okay, so this is something very important for you to know. So we plan to enter right here on the retest, target the next previous all-time high at around $4,300. What you need to know is that the markets are not perfect, okay? So we don't want to set the profit target exactly at $4,300. We might set it lower because there is high probability that the price might bounce back before. And why we want to set our profit target at the next potential resistance is because, as we mentioned many times in our videos, is when the price, and also here you can see clearly that when the price tests for the first time a certain strong resistance, most likely it will bounce back, it will go back, the price will bounce back, because many traders have set their short orders. So we want to take our profit on the next strong resistance level. And this is very good example that you can see that happened yesterday. The price, once it tested this strong resistance, the first attempt it bounced back. Okay, so we want to make sure that we will sell our entry at this level, not exactly on the breakout. As we mentioned, we want to see first that the price closed above this resistance. Then on the retest, of course, once we see that the price managed to establish a strong support, then of course we will enter. This is a very good trade. The risk to reward is very high. This is what to take. This is why we choose this Ethereum trade. You can see that what we risk is much more lower. What is the reward? What we can get if the price go in our favor. So this is something very similar as a trader to choose trades that have a very high reward to according to what you are risking for. So this is a very high risk to reward. This is why we're taking this trade. We want to set our stop loss lower than the support, because there is a chance to see the price going a bit lower. Even if we are right and we enter on the right time, okay, there is a chance to see, because the markets are very volatile, and you already know crypto markets are very volatile. Even if we are correct, the market might be a bit choppy, so it might go a bit lower than to go back on our target. And we don't want to get stopped out. That's why we want to set our stop loss to give a lot of space for the price to so we make sure that the price will not hit our stop loss, so we manage to give more space on the stop loss. So if you are guys looking to enter into a trade, make sure to click the link below in our description. You can sign up with Bybit, where you can get a special deposit bonus. Once you will sign up, you can visit the rewards hub, where you can find more information regarding the special deposit bonus. You can get up to 1,000 deposit bonus. It depends how much are you planning to deposit. Of course, you will find more information once you will sign up. So this is for our next following trade for Ethereum, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.